Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Friday, July 16th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures trading mixed Friday following disappointing results from Citigroup and Bank of America, as well as concerns over profit growth at Google. Economic reports due out include June consumer prices, May Treasury inflows, and the University of Michigan's preliminary consumer confidence gauge for July. In corporate news, Goldman Sachs rose nearly 5% in pre-market trade following news that the bank agreed to pay $550 million to settle allegations of fraud brought by the SEC. Taking a look at market futures, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 8 points below fair value. The S&P 500 futures 0.2 of a point below fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite 2.5 points above fair value. Now for more insight on what's to come in the markets today, let's turn to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Andy?
Thanks, Christy. We're pretty busy on the news front today. It started yesterday with BP reporting that they've had some success in the Gulf of Mexico with this capping of the well. Also, Goldman Sachs reported that they've settled their case with the SEC, and both those stories helped the Dow reach back to break even yesterday. This morning, heavy on the earnings front, we've had both GE and Bank of America report. They posted better than expected numbers on the EPS side, but as some people have started digging into the numbers, we're seeing a little pullback in shares pre-market. Tech stocks will be in focus. Google disappointed a little bit yesterday. That stock's down about 4%. Also, Apple is going to have a press conference to talk about their iPhone 4 issues. That's at 1 o'clock Eastern. On top of all this other news, we've had financial reform legislation pass Congress. People are going to start digging into all the bits and pieces there and try to figure out, what this means for the banks and consumers, et cetera. On the economic data front, we have some information. We have CPI at 8:30, and later on this morning, there's the University of Michigan confidence. And into the close today, let's not forget, we do have options expiration today, so that might create a little bit of volatility into the close. We'll be watching that.
All right. Thanks so much, Andy, for your insight. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend, for further updates throughout the day, as well so you don't miss our Google interview today with Clayton Moran from Benchmark Capital on what's next for the company. You can also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more financial headlines.